everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Shidadalewa. Today I'll be showing you a recipe video of how to make Gebegiri soup, which is also known as bean soup. This is a typical Yoruba food, especially from those that come from Oyo State. They call it Abula or Gebegiri. So I'm going to show you the ingredients for this soup. So our main ingredient is beans. My beans is peeled already, and I also have my smoked chicken. I have cow leg, which we also call bokoto, crayfish, my onion and habanero pepper paste. I used half habanero pepper and I blended with a little bit of oil, of vegetable oil. So yeah, I have my salt, my seasoning cubes, palm oil. I'll be using smoked mackerel and fried eggfish. So let's get started, guys. Let's cook this Gebegiri soup.
The next thing I do after peeling my beans and preparing my meat and fish is to boil my beans. I cover it in water without adding salt or any type of seasoning. So I'm going to leave it to boil till it's softened. As you can see, my beans is ready now. It's soft. So what I'm going to do now is to transfer it to my blender to make a bean paste. Some people prefer mashing their beans with a wooden spoon instead of blending it, but I prefer blending mine. The next step is to prepare the soup. So I pour my palm oil into a dry pot. Add my onion and pepper paste. Then I add half of my crayfish. Then I subsequently add my meat into the pot. Add my seasoning cubes too. Remember to check the description box for the detailed ingredients. Now it's time to add our bean paste, which is the main character of the soup, the protagonist. So now I'm going to add my remaining crayfish. Add some water. Then add my fish. Fish is the last thing I add to the soup. You know how they can break easily. I added my mackerel and my eggfish. Then my salt, but I had it bit by bit. Something important, guys, Gebegiri soup doesn't have to be too thick or too watery. I personally prefer mine a little bit creamy, but it all depends on you. It depends on your taste. Gebegiri, what did you know? Our Gebegiri is ready. So I cooked this soup for just 10 minutes, guys. Remember that our beans had been cooked already. Therefore, you don't need to cook the soup for a very long time. 10 minutes was just enough. This is the final result of our gbegiri. You can see something greenish in the soup. That is ewedu, also known as jute. For the young people, the combination of bean soup, which is gbegiri, and ewedu is called abula. You can eat this soup with any swallow of your choice, but the best swallow to eat with this soup is amala. The combo is so delicious. You can also eat gbegiri with white rice, bread, or anything. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, show me some love, and see you in my next video. Ciao, bye bye.